Welcome to Zach Bloss' second day in Geneva. No, come back.
Oh, you got to give him something for the blooper reel. You did that on purpose, right, Mike?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was
Okay.
it. That was it.
Yeah.
And are we rolling? Are we rolling? Okay, we're rolling.
We're here day 2. Zach, how are you feeling?
I'm doing well. Day 2 today. Beautiful day today, sunny. And we're now at the Ritz-Carlton. And which brand are we going to be seeing first today?
Bulgari.
Bulgari, the Roman jeweler of time.
Then we headed off to Phillips, didn't we? To see some of the Geneva auction pieces, didn't we?
Some crazy lots to check out. And of course, a very holy trio that, as soon as we got there, we said, show us the Dufour.
Yeah.
The Dufour watches.
Yeah. I feel like you were a tiny bit jealous of the fact that most of them, you were just kind of picking them and they were just landing on my watch.
Yeah, no, it was such a pleasure for me
cool with that?
to pick out these crazy cool Dufour watches, for them only to end up on Mike's wrist. Very jealous, but I was living vicariously through your wrist in that moment, for sure.
What else did we see? We also saw a cheeky AP, didn't we?
Yes, so we looked at a series jumbo, because of course this upcoming year, there's going to be some big news in the world of the AP jumbo. Times are changing, next generation of things, and I think we're all very eager to see what's to come in the world of the AP Royal Oak jumbo.
Sure.
So we'll have to stay tuned there.
Yeah, and last one you managed to pick out a Rolex that sort of went with my shoes.
So it's an interesting Rolex. It's a day-date watch in yellow gold, but
It's beautiful.
according to Phillips, it is potentially it's really the only one known in existence, as they say. And it's rainbow set on the bezel as well as the indices.
Yeah.
And based on their research, it would seem that this was really the first time Rolex did the rainbow aesthetic, which has been very popularized recently with the Daytona watches. And so it was interesting to see this sort of precursor to the very popular Rolex Daytonas that we see today with rainbow bezels. And so we wanted to take a moment to really look at it.
Yeah, I took a moment on my wrist. Sorry.
All right, you don't have to rub it in, Mike.
Okay.
You don't have to rub it in.
And then we headed straight to GP, didn't we?
Yes, to Gerard Perregaux.
Yeah.
Where, oh man. We're dying to share with you everything that we saw, but
there's one we can share.
There is one we can share, which is the Tourbillon Three Bridges.
Yeah.
It was so interesting to see how the three bridges, they are pink gold, but they're PVD plated to be black. And normally you would say, well, why do you want to hide the fact that there's precious metal on the dial? But the chamfers are left in their natural gold color. And so the contrast of the black bridges with the golden chamfers really pops, and it is a total feast for the eyes. Absolute eye candy, horological eye candy for sure.
It's just in Vegas, and I've learned that things stay where they happen.
Wait a minute, so are you saying something happened in Vegas more romantic than this?
I wouldn't say more romantic.
Well,
There's a different word for that.
Oh. Launch.